Hey there, future GRE conquerors. Today I've got a powerful word to add to your arsenal, abeyance. Now you might be thinking, why do I need to know this? Well, stick around and I'll explain why abeyance can be a game changer for your GRE prep and beyond. First up, what does abeyance mean? Simply put, abeyance refers to a state of temporary disuse or suspension. Imagine you're working on a project, but you have to put it on hold for a bit. You could say that project is in abeyance. It's not canceled, just paused. Let's break it down with an example. Suppose a company has plans to expand, but due to economic uncertainty, they decide to put those plans in abeyance. They're not scrapping the idea, just waiting for a better time. So, how does this fit into the GRE? The GRE tests not just your knowledge, but your ability to understand and use complex vocabulary. Words like abeyance pop up in reading passages and sentence completions. Knowing them can help you catch nuances and improve your overall score. Plus, you'll sound super smart when you use them in everyday conversation. Using abeyance in a sentence can be pretty straightforward. For instance, the court's decision was held in abeyance until further evidence was presented. Or, our travel plans are in abeyance until we know it's safe to go. See how it adds a layer of sophistication? That's the kind of edge you need for the GRE. But beyond just memorizing definitions, it's crucial to understand the context in which words are used. This helps you recognize them quickly during the test, saving precious time. So when you're studying, don't just list words and meanings. Dive into examples and try using the words yourself. Whether it's in writing or speaking, practice makes perfect. By expanding your vocabulary, you're not just prepping for the GRE, you're also enhancing your communication skills, which is a huge plus in any field. Imagine acing an interview or impressing your peers with your articulate speech. That's the power of a robust vocabulary. So here's your challenge. Try to use abeyance at least once today. Write it down, say it out loud, or better yet, throw it into a conversation. The more you use it, the more natural it will feel. Alright, future GRE champs, that's it for today's word. Remember, every new word you learn brings you one step closer to GRE success. Keep studying, stay motivated, and crush that test. Catch you in the next video. Stay sharp and happy studying.